came walking through the tall grass, darling, with a tongue like a velvet vine. You poured the sugar thick and heavy to make me think the sun was mine. But your words don't have a shadow, and your eyes don't have a soul. You're just carving out my spirit to fill a hollow, hungry hole. Oh, it's flattery, it's a gilded lie. It's a storm cloud painted like a summer sky. You're stitching silk across my eyes so I can't see that your flattery is a cage you built for me. There's a poison in the nectar. There's a ghost inside the grin. You're an architect of wonders, but the walls are paper thin. You tell me I'm a queen of diamonds while you're digging for the coal. You'd burn the whole forest down just to watch the embers roll. Oh, it's flattery, it's a gilded lie. It's a storm cloud painted like a summer sky. You're stitching silk